In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install AnyDesk on Windows step by step using the official website so you can get it safely and quickly. If you've been looking for a simple way to set up AnyDesk for remote access, screen sharing, or helping someone else on another computer, this guide will walk you through everything from downloading the installer to finishing the installation. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you already have on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type AnyDesk. Press enter and wait for the search results to load. At this point, you want to be careful and make sure you open the official AnyDesk website, not a random third-party download page. Look for the genuine AnyDesk result from the official domain, then click it. This is important because downloading software from the official source helps reduce the risk of getting the wrong file or an outdated version. When the AnyDesk website opens, you should see the download option right away. Click Download Now to begin downloading the installer. Depending on your browser, the file may start downloading automatically, or you may be asked to confirm the download first. Either way, wait a few moments while the installer finishes downloading. The download time will depend on your internet speed, but in most cases it should only take a short time. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded AnyDesk installer from your browser downloads bar or from your downloads folder. If Windows asks whether you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. Now the setup window will appear. Here, click Install AnyDesk to begin the installation process. This tells Windows that you want to set up the program on your computer. After that, you may see a prompt asking you to confirm the installation. When that happens, click Accept and Install. This is the final confirmation step that allows AnyDesk to start installing on your Windows PC. From here, all you need to do is wait for the installation to complete. The progress bar will move while the program is being installed, and once it finishes, AnyDesk will be ready to use. In some cases, the app may launch automatically after installation, or you may see the main AnyDesk window open on its own. And that's it. You've successfully installed AnyDesk on Windows. Now, you can use it to connect to other devices, share your screen, or let someone remotely assist you. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.